Assam Finance Minister Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma will arrive in Imphal in a 2-day visit to the state tomorrow. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, who is also the convener of North-East Democratic Alliance (NEDA), is all set to campaign for BJP nominees for the scheduled by poll. He will garner support for BJP candidate O Luk Khoi from Wangoi Assembly constituency and independent candidate from Lilong Assembly constituency, Abdul Nasir, sources said. Manipur Unit CPI executive member H. Ravindra today retreated parties tend to avoid participations in the upcoming by-polls to 4 assembly seats in the state slate for November 7th next. Ravindra was addressing reporters at the CPI Manipur state office located at Rupmahal Tank in Imphal. Puma Nil Kanglai Park, an umbrella body of 6 important different organizations in Manipur today observed the 288 Puya Maithaba Day, the burning of Meitei scripture in front of Kangla Ultra in Imphal. India reported 45,230 fresh coronavirus cases in the past 24 hours, pushing the country's tally to over 82.29 lakh. With the new infections reported in a span of a day, India's coronavirus case load has climbed to 82,29,313. According to the Health Ministry, 496 patients of coronavirus succumbed to the virus in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in India due to COVID-19 to 122,607. VGG International Sports Academy of Martial Arts, Russia has awarded a doctorate degree in sports and culture to international referee and judge Grandmaster GM Thingom Roshan Singh of Manipur. Grandmaster TH Roshan Singh of Uripok Khaidem Laikai in Imphal is also the General Secretary of all sports associations of Manipur. The Assam government has started constructions of 119 model high schools in tea garden areas. Chief Minister Sarabana Sonowal laid the foundation stone of constructions work of the 119 model high schools at tea gardens of the state at a program held at Maikipur Tea Garden Playground in Nazira of Sivasagar district yesterday. 1 week after his release from Guwahati Medical College Hospital, GMCH, former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi was admitted to the hospital again. A media report said Gogoi, the 3-time former Chief Minister, was admitted to GMCH at 10:30 p.m. yesterday after he complained of breathing problems. The next spike in Mumbai's COVID-19 tally is unlikely to be as widespread as the previous one in July and September, said scientists from the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research (TIFR) Colaba. As per the media reports, the studies further projected that hospitalizations will be much higher if at all the city completely opens in the first week of November ahead of the festival season.